How to organize important documents for post-divorce life. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. After a divorce, life can feel a bit scattered, and that includes your paperwork. Organizing your important documents is one of the most underrated steps you can take to regain control and reduce stress in your post-divorce life. Start by gathering everything related to your divorce. That includes your judgment, settlement agreement, support orders, and any QDROs for retirement accounts. Keep digital and physical copies in clearly labeled folders so you can access them quickly when needed. Next, update your personal records. That means revising your estate plan, updating beneficiaries on retirement and insurance accounts, and making sure your name and address are current with financial institutions and government agencies. We worked with a client who couldn't refinance her home because she couldn't locate her divorce judgment. Once we helped her organize her files, she was able to move forward with confidence, and even used that momentum to update her will and insurance policies too. At Divorce 661, we make sure our clients leave the process with all the documentation they need, and we guide them on what to do next. We even provide post-divorce checklists to help you stay organized long after your case is finalized. If you're unsure about what documents to keep, where to store them, or how to update your records, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you get organized so you can start your next chapter with clarity and confidence.